This video covers the main steps of setting up your Quest 1.0 adjustable base. To begin, place the carton in a desired location using 2 people to move the base at all times. Remove all tape and binding straps and lay the carton face down on the ground. Remove the base from the carton and slide off the plastic cover. Unfold the base so that the bottom side is facing up. Remove the items that were fastened to the base during shipping and set them aside. Make sure that all items are accounted for. Plug the head motor cable into the power supply. Then plug the power cord into the power supply. The legs are shipped fully assembled, but note that the legs can untwist into separate sections for custom leg height options. Screw the legs into the nutsert on each corner of the frame and opposite sides in the middle. Be careful not to over-tighten. Using 2 people, carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Do not drag across the floor or rest the frame on its side, as excessive pressure may damage the legs. Insert each end of the mattress retainer bar into the holes at the foot of the base. Rotate the bar so that it rests on the edge of the base. Setup is now complete. Check to ensure the remote functions are working properly before placing the mattress onto the base. See the owner's manual for additional information or call customer service at 1-888-550-3746.